Want to do your ABCs? Okay, get ready. Alright, ready? Alright. What is that? What is that? What is it? Is it A? A? Oh, wait a minute. You have two B's. B. That's B. C? What is that? C? Meow. Say meow like... She said meow. Okay, what is this? D. D. What is this? F. Right.
C.
G. H. H. Okay, whoops. Oh, that. Okay, what's this one? I. What's this one? J.
Yay.
What's that? That's a K. What's this? L. What's this? What is that? L. Right. What's this one? No, no, no. What's this one?
O.
Oh, what's this one? Yes.
Q.
Yes. That's a Q, baby. That's very good. What's that? R. Yes. S. And what's this? What's this?
Q.
No. T. Okay, what's this one?
U.
That's right. And what about this one?
Meow.
Violin. V. That's a V. Now what's this one?
Meow.
W. Very good. What's that? X. X. What's this one? Y. And what's that?
G.
Yeah!